This is a losing period where you could lose things, break up, part, separate, threats, endings, hospitalization, accidents, and certain misfortune happening at this time. This is also a period whereby you have to be very careful about dealing with those shady people who give you so much of promises, play on your feeling, and cheat you. So this could be a period where you could overdo things to your disadvantage. Personally, it's a good period where you're making headway, progress, success, making good contacts, communication, tying good bonding, and able to look forward towards a more positive future and future developments. So, personal commitment and trust is very important. Financially, it is a gainful period of opportunity, luck, good fortune, and prospects. This is a time to go into investment, to build your position, your possession, and status. To be with the smart people, the pioneers and developers. These are the kind of people you want to be with, who could do you a world of good. In matters of negotiation, discussion, communication, there's a lot happening at this period. A lot of news, information, a lot of feedbacks that are wonderful, helpful, and productive. Good time for regional affairs, contacts, signing agreements, meetings, interviews are all advantageous. So use this period for short courses, learning, and Googling information. Keep yourself current as much as possible. Home, family, domestic matters are good. You'll be hearing good news concerning family members and matters, dealing with home and property affairs, and also in dealing with in-house issues. If you want to rent house, buy house, sell house, improve, or renovate, this is definitely a good time to do so. You'll be receiving a lot of important and exciting people on the home front, or invites for you to visit them. So this could be a happy and even an auspicious occasion in regards to people very close to you. Your love life is coming through a storm. Clashes, quarrels, accusation, heartache, heartbreak are likely at this time. You cannot take every word of friends, as they could mislead you and add more that you don't need. So during this period, be very careful of who you are partying with, enjoying with, romancing with. That temporary moment of fun could lose you your loved one. Problem with children and their activities, and mentally it'll be a rather headache period with too much going on. Health-wise, this is a downtime. You've got to be very careful of your health and physical activities. This is a period where there's a lot of negative people around who could be torturing and testing your patience. Try to keep things under check, do as little as you can, but do the important things. And give a lot of time for rest and recuperation. Partnership is under conflict, and you may have a tough time keeping the partnership relationship going. Your partner will have a lot of trouble, a lot of emotional difficulty to deal with, and you got to be helpful. That is, if you still want to keep the relationship. And during this period also, it would be better if you try to be more tolerant with others, as they could be meddling in your affairs. So you have to keep more private to yourself if possible. Dealing with loans, credit, money matters are good, and it could be advantageous and beneficial. You could be tapping into new resources, getting loans from banks or financial supporters coming in to help you out. So, dealing with changes, reshuffles are good, as well as looking into new avenues, revenues, and tapping of resources. There could be opportunities in this area. Trouble news from afar, overseas, foreign affairs. Someone you know in a way place is having a bad time. Is coming into big confusion. It will be best not to be too dependent on those in authority and in power. They are not in a position to help you right now. And if you are traveling, expect some rough journeys or turbulence along the way. Even problem with the authorities and customs. A good time for your career, your work, your future, your ambition, your business, your planning ahead. You'll find that you're being praised for your past effort. And there could be a lot of new offers and promises coming your way. So this is your lucky period at work. Group activities are good. So you'll be gaining a lot of new friends and friends of friends becoming your friends. You'll be rather popular in social environment, community dealing, and in group participation. You'll find that your hope, your luck, your desire and wishes could come true. And you seem to have awesome intuition that could be your guiding light.